What's big in skincare? Olay Collagen Peptide 24. Our top scientists formulated collagen peptide 24 to hydrate the skin surface for real results. This elusive combination of ingredients work together to visibly firm skin. Collagen peptides are precious, 10 times more expensive than gold, and just one jar contains Olay's highest level of this powerful formulation, hydrating skin better than even the $400 cream. This is next-gen collagen peptide. That's Olay science. Olay science is at the top of the industry. Why? We have some of the world's best scientists and lab facilities. Our scientists spend years combining the most powerful ingredients to give you smoother, more hydrated, younger-looking skin. You'll see improvement in skin surface cells, sometimes in seconds. Our powerhouse ingredient, vitamin B3, enables the skin surface to actually hold on to water, so your skin moisturizes itself. That's Olay science.
What does it take to develop a powerful cream that actually works on wrinkles? Our dedicated scientists study the unique characteristics of wrinkles so they can best understand how to improve their appearance. After testing 20 years of retinol technology in our innovation lab, the perfect blend of ingredients is here. Our unique formula combines retinol with hyaluronic acid and glucose complex in a rich, moisturizing cream that's gentle enough for daily use. Retinol works in harmony with the skin's natural process of producing new skin cells that occurs less frequently as we age. Hyaluronic acid adds plumping hydration to replenish parched, dull skin. And glucose complex accelerates skin surface activity to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. With these three powerful ingredients, our formula is clinically proven to show results in as little as 1 week for visibly younger-looking skin.
Fall 2018 is inspired by this Mosul village, which is led by women. Women make all the decisions, and especially at this time right now where we're talking about equality, we're talking about women's empowerment. There's a place out there most people haven't heard of where things are working just fine. Skincare during the day of the show is one of the most important factors because that's the base and the prime, like that's a canvas that you paint on.
Hi, I'm Eileen Harcourt and I'm a skincare specialist. We're prepping the model's skin for the runway makeup look. When the girls come into us, they're going to be loaded with the makeup from the previous show. And typically, the makeup artist would remove the makeup with some harsh, irritating cleanser, which is not going to be beneficial to the girl. So we're working with Belief, which incorporates all of these natural ingredients and really comforting, soothing, hydrating textures. I'm obsessed with the cleansing gel because it's going to deliver a deep, intense burst of moisture to the skin. This is not stripping, and it also does not leave oily finish. So I fell in love with the Hungarian water essence because it's going to increase the absorption of the following products. I'm going to go right to the Aqua Bomb. It's like offering a deep drink of water to the skin. So as the final step, I'm going to apply the moisturizing eye balm, which is going to fill in all of the dry lines, and she's ready.
One of the primary reasons for this partnership and this collaboration with Belief has been, besides the incredible product that they make, I think it's the ethos behind the brand, which is very much aligned to ours, which is transparency, accountability. So when Belief came together with this idea of being partners, I thought it was the perfect way of moving forward the message with beauty and substance.